Start with the beautiful name of Allah, gracious and Rahman Rahim. I am permanently acted in class, and today my presentation topic is nervous system. First of all, what is nervous system? Nervous system is a network of nerves that links to every part of the body. It is our body's communication system. There are two types of nervous system: CNS and PNS. CNS stands for central nervous system, and PNS stands for peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system composed of brain, spinal cord, and nerve. It contains functions like thinking, breathing, feeling, eating. And PNS consists of nerves that branch out central nervous system to the rest of the body. There are two types of peripheral nervous system: sensory nerve, motor nerve. Sensory nerve that carry message to the brain and spinal cord is called sensory nerve. Nerve that carry message away from the brain and spinal cord is called motor nerve. Thank you very much for your